Hello everyone and welcome to our Tableau desktop training video provided by Tableau Coach. This is the second video in our Tableau Desktop Qualified Associate Certification training videos, and we're going to go ahead and begin with the hands-on question number 4. We need to find the top 10 product names by sales within each region. Blank is ranked number 2 in both the Central and West regions in 2011. So one thing we need to start with is we need to filter on region. We need Central and West, okay? We also need to filter on order date. We need the year to be 2011. We need to add the region to columns. And it's asking us for product name, so we need to put product name onto rows. And yes, we will add all members. The next thing we need to do is we're going to go ahead and put sales onto text. We can also just go ahead and double click, and for getting the top 10 product name by sales, we need to put the product name on the filter shelf. So we take product name on filter, and here we need to select top. So we want the top 10 by sum of sales. And we go ahead and hit apply. And there we have it. So the question is, who is ranked number 2 in both Central and West regions in 2011? What we need to do now is, for sum of sales, we need to change this to make it, instead of a sum, we want to see the rank. And then now we have all of the ranks. The next thing we need to do is change it from going from table across to table down. So when we go back into sales, compute using, the default shows us table across. We need to change it to table down. And now we can see here that Sharp Owl 1530C as blah blah is ranked number 2 in the Central and West region. Hence, our answer is C, Sharp Owl 1530C as digital copier. Moving on to question number 5. In the technology product category, which unprofitable state is surrounded by only profitable states? Okay. So for this question, we're going to be creating a map visual. So we can double click on state or province, and under the show me, instead of using these little circles, we go into this filled map as opposed to the symbols map, and now you see this pretty very blue map. What we need to do next is filter on product category, because all we care about is the technology category. So we go ahead and hit apply, and now we put profit onto color. Now right away this gives us our little light pink and green different colors. One way we can identify which negative profit state is surrounded by positive profit states is we can add profit to label. Now we can see which are negative and positive. We can also add the name of the state on label. And at this point we can already see that Colorado is clearly the negative state that's surrounded by positive profit states. But one thing I'd like to do is, if you double click on color and select step, and instead of 5 steps you select 2 steps and select advanced and center it at 0, apply, okay. You can now see a much bigger contrast, and you can see that Colorado is clearly the correct answer for number 5.